The moving process itself can be rather anxiety-inducing and problematic for many seniors especially. A seasoned agent who's done this dozens of times, if not hundreds, can be very instrumental in helping maintain a calm, more comfortable environment throughout the entire process, from preparation all the way through the move. Today we're going to take a brief look at some of the issues and a few of the tips that might be useful in helping make the process a little bit more tolerable. I'm Michael Edlen, Pacific Palisades real estate expert, and a focus on seniors real estate in this field. If you'd like useful information about real estate, whether you're a potential seller or a buyer or a real estate agent, don't hesitate to use our website. We've got an awful lot of information there. It's quite useful. And if you'd like updates on a periodic basis, subscribe on the button below. Seniors often feel overwhelmed at the whole idea of moving. It's a tremendous challenge just thinking about all the accumulation of belongings through all those years. That's something that needs to be factored in and focused on. For many people, property taxes is an issue to be considered, and it's wise to look into the counties where you can take your property tax base forward. And as far as where to go, that's a huge issue. Most of them choose to be in a one-level home, easier to maintain, ideally nearer to family or to health facilities that may be of importance to them. Probably the biggest issue, however, is getting ready for the process. How to go about preparing for a move from a home that's been the house for 20, 30, 40 years. That's where a lot of assistance can be useful. Packaging, organizing, doing minor repairs or major if necessary. These things can be coordinated. Family members can be very helpful. Really good real estate agents can be extremely useful in helping guide the process, sequencing the order in which they'd be most logical and comfortably done. Here's one way that I found very useful in working with seniors in the move process, and it helps make them both feel more comfortable about it and in some cases outright excited. We map out from the beginning home preparation, doing things in a very gradual, easy manner, marketing phase, showing, processing offers, from negotiating into escrow, inspections, and then the move itself, all programmed and mapped out so that it's real clear, step by step, what to expect next. Although the process may not always be easy or smooth, the agent's job is to be empathetic, reassuring, supportive throughout the whole process, and it does make things work much more comfortably. Thank you for watching. Hope you may have found some useful information here. If you found it definitely interesting or any questions, please indicate in the comments below. And do remember to like our site and our products here. Should you be interested in more, remember to subscribe and we'll get them to you anytime you wish.